So everyone's telling me that they can't find the link to buy this fan and that it's sold out everywhere. But I've got good news for you guys. It's literally just restocked. It's currently £15 at the moment. It's very easy to use. You literally click on the fan button to turn it on, and it has a light on it as well. The good thing about the lights is there's 3 different warm settings, and you can actually change the wavelength of the fan in terms of speed, and you can set timers for how long you want the fan to be on. Turning the light off. So a lot of people have bought these already and left 5-star reviews, but they keep selling out, guys. But I don't know how long this offer is gonna last, guys. So what I'll do, I'll link all the screw-on ceiling fans I've seen. So make sure to click down below to get yours.